Well, with the arrival of spring, got some leaves on the trees, water level high. Figure it's a good time to go shoot some waterfalls. So I've driven up this morning to Highland Mills, New York, near Cornwall. I think it's Orange County. And I'm going to Mineral Springs Falls. It's not that long a hike. It's probably half a mile maybe. Got to do it in the dark though to get there before sunrise. And hopefully get some nice waterfalls and streams. We'll see. Okay, I found a good spot, I think, right in front of the falls. Turn around this way, you can see the water coming down. It's still pretty dark, so got my camera on the tripod down here. Pretty low angle, might make those falls look even bigger than they are. And they're pretty big. Got a wide angle lens. And it's, I think, a 25-second exposure. So that water will end up looking really smooth, and the water in the foreground will be very glassy. And I suspect that the white of the water will really stand out against the rocks. Might actually do it black and white since there's not much color here anyway. And we'll see how it comes out. Yeah, it's a good shot. Look at that one, nice and smooth, the water.